Ian's giving me a leave home first. Then I'll come with other baby. She's going to fetch mama.
You want auntie brother?
Yeah, she called me already. She finished work. She's going to Bangkok fetch
Yeah,
mama.
next time I'll show her first time she hiccups is like this, huh?
放说好好放进房间。
怎么？
不要红包，现在带回家先。
带谁？
那红包。
哦，嗯。
看看有。